What is good, YouTube? You guys know who it is. Back with another Reds Wave video. Crap, sorry, I got like a bunch of crap cold in my chest. Yeah, guys, we got the truck out here. Finally, I had to wait for my mailman to come with my nitro fuel because I didn't have no gas. But we're good now. So, yeah, guys, I put the 4.1 back on here. Finally got it all together. Sorry I didn't record it. I figured I didn't want to waste any more time with you guys, with just tinkering with crap. I'm sure you guys rather just see action. So, yeah. So, we're going to be out here in this backyard. Try to see what we can get out of this engine as far as performance. I ain't really trying to go through a whole bottle of gas. So, yeah, we'll mess around here, see if we can hit some wheelies and maybe shift some gears. This engine performs way better than that last one I just took out, the Trackstar, who you have seen in my video. So if I remember with this engine, I don't think I really had no problems out of it. Can't really remember. So I don't know, we'll get this thing started, guys. First time, so I figure out weight. I haven't messed with it or nothing. Figure out weight, we can get it started together. So let's get into it. See if I got my glow plug igniter out here. Hopefully it's charged also. Sorry about my gloves, they're all ate up and crap, but these are the only gloves I got. And my glow plug igniter, I think it's time for a new one too, because I charged it, I plug it in, and the light still stays red on the charger like 4 hours later. I'm like, dang, it'll take forever. Maybe before I go to bed, I'll plug it in and let it charge all night. See if that helps. But I had this thing for a minute. So let's get the power on here. Get all my stuff. Get my scroogey out the way. What was I about to do? Okay, we got that. Oh, I gotta get the power turned on. So let's get the controller on. That's weird how it moves like that. I should probably put another screw in there, but I don't think it's going to hurt anything. You guys think it'll be okay like that? I put like just 2 screws in. I had to put like a spacer in there because the motor wasn't sitting up high enough to hit the gear. So I think it'll be okay though. I'll just put some screws in it tonight. See how that goes. Damn, my finger's falling through there. Yeah, the pull start, everything was cool. The one-way bearing fits. It's a heck of a pull start on this thing too, guys. It's freaking fat pull start. So let's try to. Oh crap! I'll drop my scroogey. I hate these pockets. I might have to prime it a little bit. Here, first I'll take that out. We'll prime it. Give it a couple of tugs. Get some gas. Keep it lines. Gas through line. Alright, dang. Dropping everything, guys. Hold on, let me get situated here. That's why I hate having stuff on me. Look at that cat over there, sitting there watching me like, what are you doing? Alright. See if I got some fuel in there. Probably not. I don't think so. She's alive! She's alive. That was one pull too. Yeah, this engine's pretty decent. Carburetor, I have an extra carburetor too, so. Gotta warm up. Hell yeah. Got it. That thumbs up. She might be a little rich, darn it. It's okay. As soon as I hit the throttle, she died on me, so I might have to put that low speeding in just a hair. Well, what's going on? Hold on, something's not right. Something is not right here. Alright, we're gonna have to lose this body. Ah, darn it. It's like it's not wanting to grab. It's on there, ain't it? It's not hitting. Damn, it's not hitting the freaking, whatchamacallit. Shoot. Well, we're gonna have to go in the basement and get her right. Damn it. Sorry about that, guys. I thought she would have been okay. Damn, I ain't got no pockets. I'm gonna have to take her down to the lab. So, I'm gonna have to catch y'all in the next part of the video. Alright guys, I'm back. Had to go in there and put the screws in the motor, tighten that thing down. It was kind of messed up there. So, yeah, heck yeah, we got her running. We know she runs. So, I'm gonna get my glow plug igniter out here. Where's my temperature gun? Okay, it's on my hip. I'm tripping. Too much stuff. Alright, let's get the power back on. Yeah, it's not rocking now. I don't know what I was thinking. Only putting 2 in there. I must have forgot to do it. We're gonna leave the body off too, because I want to be able to get some of my screws when I can, when I need to. Come on, baby. Come on. The thing is so stiff. That new pole star is stiff as heck. Hard to pull it. Hopefully it wants to move. Shit. Just let it warm up. I just want to see if it wants to move. I put this little exhaust thing down there. My little muffler, whatchamacallit? Right here. I had it in the refrigerator. So I like to point it down anyway. So we're going to let that ride on there. Come on, girl. She might be a little rich. I'm going to turn that in a little bit because I wasn't sure how far that thing was supposed to go in or out. This carburetor's pretty deep, so yeah. It turned that screw forever. Shucks. Bro, come on. Just be dropping stuff, guys. Hold on. Got my little pins out here and stuff. Just too much going on out here, guys. This is why I have anxiety like a mug, because it's just be too much. If you get my anxiety going. I gotta hurry, get it started. It's not good. I'm having a mesh issue. What's going on, man? What the freak? And why am I dropping all my damn pins falling out everywhere? Damn. So I'm eating up my gear. Something is going on. It's barely. That's why it's still not right. And that sounds weird too. I don't know if it needs to go like that. It's just something's not right. I got this thing tightened down. It's just This is my last gear I got, so I wanted to try to see if my motor still moves a little bit. See, it needs to go back. I'm gonna go get my screwdriver. Darn it. Alright, you guys, I am back. Had to try to do some configurations on this shit, man. It wasn't screwing up my gear. I seen plastic flying everywhere. And when you see that, kill it. Kill the engine, guys. Because that's the only one I got left, because I did that to my last one. So, I happened to look up on Amazon and found a hardened steel one, a 47 tooth for 18 bucks. So, I'm about to go ahead and throw that in the cart and get that ordered, because I'm tired of this plastics. I probably recommend, if you got some serious torque, I don't know, I'd say get a steel one, but maybe if your mesh is right, you should be cool. I've never had a problem until just this today, so. Yeah, let's try to get this thing fired back up. Fire her back up, yeah. Stupid glow plug igniter, yo. That's why it wasn't acting, it wasn't charging, it ain't screwed in there. The heck? I think that's why I wasn't charging right. Ugh. Rookie. Alright, let's get that in here. Get that out. Stick this screwdriver somewhere. And let's see if we can get her going. Ugh, shit. I gotta prime it a little bit. Yeah. That's one thing I hate about pool starting. I feel like you punch somebody 100 times. Oh. So hopefully it's a little rich. Uh-oh, but I got the mesh right though. Yeah. Probably a little cold. Might be a little cold. Motor ain't ran in a few years, so let her warm up a little bit. Let it coast around the backyard. She's rich, I can see that, definitely. Huh. That don't sound right. Maybe I'm a little lean. Might be a little lean. Let's get that low speed a little bit. Lift it out. There we go. That's all she needed, some gas. A little bit of gas. Just let her work the bugs out a little bit. Huh. Oh, I think my low speed might be a little, the high speed. some gas, all she needed. We're going over here to the field. She's already wanting to get a little jumpy. Like I said, I missed this motor. Uh-oh, she shifted. See the difference? Put track star. She might need some more fuel. But she needs a little more gas. She's shifting at least. Something like my mesh knot might not be right. Might not be right. Yeah, something ain't right. Whoa. Yeah, I think I'm killing my gear. My gear going? No? Still good. Yeah, that's not right. I lose my dog rolls or something? What the heck is going on here? It's just spinning again. Oh shit. So shit. It stinks. Shit. So my shit is not on again, y'all. It's not biting. I got the screw on there. What the freak? It's tight. Let me see if I can get my finger in there. Yes. Ouch. It's a little warm too. Shoot. Yeah, I wonder why it just slips. It's like still got some. It just slides. It ain't like. I wanted to tell myself, I was like, is it? Well, it can't be backwards. It's not backwards, is it? I don't know what the heck's going on. But from, see how that turns? That's not supposed to do that. It's like I'm missing something. So I need that whole system, guys. I need everything in there to complete that. So, but other than that, she was going good. She shifted gears until I must have spun it off that thing again. So I'm gonna have to put it in the lab tonight. Shoot, but shit, she runs. I'm happy about that. You guys see the power is putting out. Well, so far. Hi. It's all good though. I'll get into it tonight. See if I can find something to keep it pressed on that washer better. So I ain't gonna say this is the end of this video. I'm gonna just pause it on this part, get my truck fixed better, and maybe I'll super glue that mug, keep messing with me. And we'll start the video again from here tomorrow, because it's going to be dark here with like an hour, and I won't have time because the engine's in the way and all that crap. So, oh crap. So, yep, guys. Yeah, she's meshed good. Now, the sucky thing is, though, I'm going to have to possibly take the whole engine off. just to just to do that. That sucks. Damn. That sucks. I don't know. Oh well, guys. I'll see y'all in the next part of this video. Peace. What is happening, guys? I'm back. This is a different part of the video. Finishing off where I left off Friday. I was having some issues with my truck. So I think I might be alright. The stupid spur gear thing was messing up. I wasn't like meshed right or whatever you want to call it. So I think I got her straightened away. See how long she holds up. Figure since it's nice, I'm gonna get out here and mess around for a while, test her out, and see if we can get this motor to keep going. I'm pretty sure you guys seen it in the beginning of the video. The transmission did shift. Now y'all know we was messing with that Trackstar engine forever and it never shifted. So yeah, forget Trackstar. So we're about to roll with this 4.1. So guys, we're about to get this thing fired back up and do some running around in this backyard for a minute. You know what I'm saying? Hope everybody has a Merry Christmas and all that. Fell off. I know I fell off for a week or so, you know what I'm saying? But I've been waiting on mail, work, and just crap. You guys understand holidays, so I'm so sorry. But after January 1st, come back strong for you guys. Try to get a lot more parts on standby, just so when I break, I'm not broke for a while until mail, you know, until this stuff comes in the mail. I kind of hate that. It slows me down and I don't get the video as much. So, but let's get this thing going though. Make sure y'all straight. Got you guys on the GoPro chest cam. I got my glow plug igniter. Yeah, this thing is making some noise still, but I'm like, man, forget it. It's probably gonna fry. I'm gonna go with a steel one. A steel gear and see if I can find all the guts that I need. Let me get her primed up because I know there ain't no gas. No gas. Oh shit. Get it primed a little bit. Alright. I also got the carburetor off this thing too, man. So I understand how they come off. You just gotta kind of, they got like a steel ring around the collar, so when you stick it in there, it gets nasty. All that nitro fuel gets gummed up, makes it really hard to get out. So that's what I kind of seen. I was like, oh crap. So got it all cleaned up, took the carb out and all that good stuff. So let's see if she'll fire. Come on, baby. Come on. Oh, shoot. What's that noise? Hold on a second. Shit dropping out my pockets. It sounds like I had some air issue or something. What is that? Is that my tank doing this? Let me see. Sounds like it's my tank. Hold on. Stupid seal not on the way or something. Oh no. Might be sucking some air or something. Not sure. Might be a little rich. Oh, but she's a little rich, guys. Let her warm up. Let her warm up a minute. Sounds pretty good though. I don't know how good y'all can see it, but that's that 4-1. Probably rich. I can see all the gas coming off the exhaust. Yeah, she's a little rich. She's a little rich. Well, we'll just let her warm up. What's she feeling like? Yeah, she's cold still. Still cold. Definitely rich. Alright. Oh my God, man. Well, I think that's the gear. The gear gave up. Damn it, man. Fuck. Shit. See what I'm saying, man? This is just be that bullshit, man. For real. Just be that fucking bullshit. You know, in the back of my mind, I always keep saying, you know, I'm fucking tired of nitro. Just because it's always some bullshit. You know what I'm saying? All this work, you put in the shit, and then shit just still never works. I just get fed up with that stuff, man. That's why I'm not always able to video all the time, because shit breaks and I'm not able to fix shit because I don't have parts. And then I can't find parts. And so then in the back of my mind, I keep saying, you know what, man, I'm over this shit. I did all that work. I've been up all morning working on this truck to get it out here for it to do this. So, well, guess that is going to be the video until I get some parts found, some gears and all that crap and all that other crap, guys. So, hope you guys have a good Merry Christmas and all that fun stuff. You know, stay in touch with me. And I guess I'm going to have to get online and see what I can find. If I can't find nothing, then I'm just assed out, guys. Because this stuff's just getting to be too much. You know what I'm saying? It's getting to be too much for me. So, all right, guys. I'll catch y'all later. Peace out.